Top 5 celebrity motorhomes, huge motorhomes, and RVs. Celebrities love to splurge on tour buses and trailers, proving that the RV lifestyle isn't just for vacationers. Let's take a peek inside the most luxurious celebrity motorhomes out there, whether that's a luxury area to rehabilitate on the set of a blockbuster film or a Class A home on a road trip into the wilderness. Number 5. John Mayer. On his Instagram feed, singer-songwriter John Mayer unveiled his new Earth Roamer truck camper. Earth Roamer, situated in Colorado, produces some of North America's most deadly off-road truck campers. The musician went with Earth Roamer's XV-LTS model. The XV-LTS is built on the F550 chassis from Ford. The camper is roughly 26 feet long, weighs about 7 tons, and can handle just about any terrain thanks to a Powerstroke V8 engine that produces 300 horsepower and 660 pounds-feet of torque. The starting price is roughly $280,000. That's just the starting point. However, if you're spending more than $250,000 for a truck camper, you'll almost certainly upgrade the standard package. Number 4. Kellie Pickler's RV. If you look up pictures inside of celebrity tour buses on Google, you'll almost certainly come across Kellie Pickler's mobile home. The country music starlet was raised in a trailer and has RV blood in her veins, and as a result, when she rose to popularity on American Idol, a custom tour van was always in the cards. The cottage-themed trailer offers everything you need, including a tiny spa and built-in dog kennel. Pickler's incredible shoe collection, which must be seen to be believed, has its own shelf space. These 5 celebrity RVs may be a little expensive, but their luxury appeal is impossible to deny. Number 3. Mariah Carey's motorhome. Mariah Carey spends her time on tour in this massive RV, dubbed the Skyscraper on Wheels. When parked, the 18-wheel RV can expand out to provide Mariah and her crew roughly 1,200 square feet of living space. The tinted windows provide her complete privacy, and the sleek metal appearance is nothing short of luxurious. A lavish living area with a custom-designed 15-foot sofa and a 65-inch screen can be found on the motorhome's lowest floor. The specialized makeup room, which includes a chair and a vanity unit, is located further down the corridor. The second television on the floor is hidden beneath the mirror, allowing the celebrity to watch her favorite shows while getting ready. The ceiling of the motorhome may be raised ingeniously to provide additional headroom on the upper floor. The large trailer also includes a full large kitchen made of wood, marble, and granite for peaceful evenings. Number 2. Leonardo DiCaprio's motorhome. Leonardo DiCaprio spent his time between takes on the set of his 2009 film Inception in this cutting-edge trailer. The 53-foot design is truly a mobile house with an extravagant gold effect exterior. The RV has extendable doors that nearly double the width from 8.5 to approximately 16 feet. Designer David Rovsek was inspired by the rich and famous boats, choosing features like cherry wood, a dropped ceiling, and an oval overhead mirror, all of which are mega-rich house requirements. The interior features 2 fireplaces, 5 TVs, 1 in each of the 2 bathrooms, and a $25,000 shower with flashy glass mosaic tiles. The best bit, however, is the master bedroom, which was designed to recreate the feeling of a 5-star hotel suite. Number 1. Simon Cowell's motorhome. When he's not spending time with his family, media billionaire Simon Cowell runs his enterprise from this luxurious RV. The 2-story trailer is 1,200 square feet in size and can expand to 22 feet high and 14 feet wide with the touch of a button. The 1.6 million pound or $2 million mobile palace has Italian leather, mirrored ceilings, and 3 massive TVs, a state-of-the-art sound system, a 20-seater cream sofa, and special electric shades to safeguard the star's privacies that can be found in the main living area. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to us.